Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by switching airplane mode on to disable cellular radios. This isolates radio interference and meets airline rules. Once done, make sure to re-enable Wi-Fi or Bluetooth from the same menu. Do not flip cellular back on. You should also check for a current OS update and verify your carrier supports Wi-Fi calling or in-flight connectivity, because those services affect what you can do once connected. This prepares the device and avoids conflicts before you join the onboard network. Next, open Wi-Fi settings and pick the airline SSID shown by crew or entertainment card. This connects your radio while cellular remains off. Then launch the captive portal when prompted. Accept terms and enter seat or payment details as required, because many in-flight networks need authentication. Make sure to enable a VPN or use encrypted apps for privacy, since onboard networks are shared. If streaming or browsing, prioritize low bandwidth tasks and close background sync to keep the connection. To finish, properly sign out of the portal if available and then turn off Wi-Fi to conserve battery while keeping airplane mode engaged. If you can't reach the portal, try toggling Wi-Fi, forgetting the network and reconnecting, or restart your device. These steps reset the captive portal handshake. Make sure you have offline media or a secondary device with a personal hotspot as a fallback. One key troubleshooting tip: if authentication stalls, clearing the browser cache often forces the portal to reload and resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.